Welcome back to Jay's Jeep and Classic Car Channel. Today we're trying to get our engine fired up again. We got it fired up last episode, and so now I've put the original Coors Light engine carburetor back onto this engine. Figured the air fuel mixture and all were already set for this engine, for this carburetor, so that's why we went ahead and made the swap. And so we're going to slowly kind of try to get this thing tuned in and also sort out all the wires and all that. It looks like a rat's nest right now, so join me in the adventure. Alright, let's see what we got. Let's see if it does the same thing it did yesterday. Yeah, we're trying, buddy.
The Jeep is working. That works now.
Yeah, we're trying to get it, buddy. We're trying to get it.
It's working now.
Yeah, we're trying to get it there.
The engine's working down there. Jeep had the cab on. Yeah, we're starting to get that. Down there is a Jeep.
See if we can get this thing going. Alright, so we're going to check the timing again. Just not quite firing for me. So we're going to try to maybe rotate the distributor just a little bit more and see if we can get it to fire up a little more consistently. Change the timing just a little bit. So let's see what we got. Work.
It does work now.
We're getting close. Before we do much more, I think we ought to put some water in the old radiator first.
Oh.
So that if it does run, that it has water circulating through it. So that's what we're going to do next.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to start this thing, or at least turn it over a little bit. We got water running out of it. Oh wait, need to hook the battery up. Unfortunately, it's dripping right on the starter, so not real happy about that, but it is what it is. Hopefully it'll be alright. There it goes. There it goes. Listen to a purr. Yeah. Yeah, it's working. Unfortunately, it's leaking out of here pretty good right there. So we're going to have to figure out how to get that plugged up. Yeah. So it's running, but it's still leaking water even though I put the thermostat wire back in. So I guess I'm going to just need to buy a whole new wire assembly or whatever and get it to go. It's also dying immediately as soon as I give it any sort of gas. Could be because I don't have the vacuum advance on the distributor, but it's running, and so we're happy about that. Alright, so we put the vacuum assist back on. Let's see if that makes any difference. It shouldn't, but... Put some more water in it. Looks like that vacuum assist really did help. Check out the tailpipe. Definitely have some moisture there, which makes me wonder if head gasket ain't leaking on one of the cylinders, because the oil looked kind of runny and the water kind of looks a little oily, which isn't a good sign. But I really don't want to have to pull this engine out. Really, I want this thing to be running. So I guess we'll just kind of see how it goes here. I'm just taking it a little easy and making sure it's okay. I do have a spare head gasket if I need to. We can probably, now that I've taken one off before, it's probably not too bad. I don't want to have a crack in it either, so we'll just kind of see. Alright, so I'm just taking temperature measurements. Everything seems to be okay. Alright, obviously the exhaust is like 200, but then like top of the head's 140. All the water hoses are like 115, 118, somewhere in there. So really, it seems to be doing okay. I don't know. I'm probably just gun shy at this point with everything that's happened. But I'm pleased that it runs. Start it up again. Giving it a little throttle. Definitely getting some smoke. Well, we got it running, so that's an accomplishment. We'll work on cleaning up some of the rest of that later. I appreciate y'all watching. Y'all take care. It's time for supper.